Some breaking news coming in that we're going to be focusing on. This has to do with chaos in the Maharashtra Assembly over the issue of Manipur. We're learning that there was Congress sloganeering in the Assembly. They wanted to discuss the Manipur matter. Now, the Speaker had said that no notice was given, and then ruckus in the House ensued. And now we're also learning that the opposition had then walked out. Remember, all right, let's listen in actually to some of that chaos.
प्रश्न क्रमांक 1. एक मिनिट बसून घ्या. सन्मान्य सदस्य, हे बघा, ऐकून घ्या. मी नाकारलंय का? आपल्याकडे काय नियम आहेत की नाही? तुम्ही मांडा, तर माझ्याकडे सादर तर करा, त्यानंतर आपण योग्य वेळ देऊ त्यासाठी. तुम्ही प्रस्ताव पण मांडणार नाही आणि मग तुम्ही त्याच्यावर चर्चा मागणार, असं नाही चालत. बसून घ्या. ठीक आहे, बसून घ्या. ठीक आहे, बसून घ्या. आपण पुढे जाऊया. चला, प्रश्न क्रमांक 1. कोण आहे? चला, सन्मान्य सदस्य विश्वजित कदम, तुम्ही बोलणार आहात की पुढे जाऊ?
अध्यक्ष महोदय, प्रश्न क्रमांक 66,016. काय करायचं?
तुम्ही बोलणार? चला, बोलणार आहात की पुढे जाऊ? प्रश्न क्रमांक 1. ठीक आहे. प्रश्न क्रमांक 2.
प्रश्न क्रमांक 59,013. अध्यक्ष महोदय, सदर विषय जो अध्यक्ष महोदय हा अतिशय गंभीर आहे. याचे कारण, अध्यक्ष महोदय, राज्यात तंबाखू मिश्रित पदार्थांची विक्री या विषयामध्ये सरसकट राज्यातील युवकांना या सगळ्या गोष्टीबद्दल प्रचंड त्रास, प्रचंड नशा आणि यामध्ये गुटखा, पान मसाला.
So again, those are visuals, and we also showed you what was taking place inside of the Maharashtra Assembly. Again, this is all chaos that's continuing in relation to the Manipur matter, where a horrific video from the 4th of May was released just a day before, showing 2 women being paraded naked. They were molested on camera and then allegedly gang raped. As per information that was also come out in the FIR, there was also a 3rd woman who was involved in the incident. As of now, when it comes to the probe, 4 people have been arrested. All of this is over that matter, the video, the horrific video that has essentially shocked the nation. We're crossing over to our Mumbai Bureau Chief, Vinay Deshpande, to get us more on this. Vinay, so when it comes to the happenings within the Maharashtra Assembly, the Speaker has said that no notice has been given for a discussion to be held on Manipur. There was ruckus in the House. The opposition has walked out.
Well, yes, there was ruckus in the House today after some of the women MLAs who led from the opposition led a discussion on Manipur. They thought that a discussion should happen on Manipur. That was when the Speaker of the House said that since there was no notice that was given, the discussion cannot happen. And that is where we can see that that the House, the opposition took up the issue and staged a walkout after they entered the well as well to protest against being not allowed to speak about the issue. In fact, soon after that, we spoke to the women MLAs as well. There is an interview of Yashomati Thakur, who's the woman MLA of Congress, who led the whole discussion and who was extremely agitated at the fact that she was not allowed to speak on the issue. Even Prithviraj Jawan, who's the senior Congress leader, said that they only wanted to express solidarity on the issue and speak about it. And yet they were not allowed to speak on the floor of the House. They did not want any discussion. Right now, we can see that, that is where the House had to be adjourned because there was a clear ruckus on the floor of the House. Right now, even, the opposition parties, all the opposition parties have to walk out from the assembly, even as they have come out to speak to the media. There is right now the continuous chaos on the floor of the House in order to get.
All right, we'll try to reestablish that connection with our Mumbai bureau chief. Remember, she was telling us more about what was